Let's be honest. When summer hits, your body becomes part of the outfit. Arms are out, legs are out, shoulders are out, and suddenly all the "I'll fix it later" habits show up under natural light. So this isn't about crash prep. This is about building a body glow routine now, so by summer 2026, you look polished without scrambling. Because glowing skin isn't luck, it's maintenance. First, we fix the foundation, exfoliation. If your skin feels rough, uneven, or dull, lotion alone won't save it. Dead skin blocks light, and light reflection is what creates glow. You need a consistent exfoliation schedule. Not aggressive, not daily. 1 to 2 times a week is enough. Use a body scrub or exfoliating glove in the shower. Focus on knees, elbows, ankles, back of arms and thighs, the areas that usually hold texture. Be thorough, not violent. The goal is smoothness, not irritation. Once you remove buildup regularly, your skin immediately starts looking more refined. Next, moisture layering. Most people moisturize wrong. They wait until their skin is completely dry, then rub lotion on top and call it a day. For real glow, you moisturize while your skin is slightly damp. Step out of the shower. Pat dry lightly. Apply a hydrating lotion first, then seal it with a body oil. Lotion hydrates. Oil locks it in. That combination creates that subtle sheen that looks expensive in sunlight. And consistency matters. Daily. Not when I remember. The third step is tone evening. Hyperpigmentation on the body is normal, but uneven tone can dull your overall glow. If you struggle with darker knees, elbows, inner thighs, or back marks, start using gentle exfoliating acids made for the body once or twice a week. You don't need extreme treatments. You need gradual improvement. Evening out tones slowly over months creates a natural glow that makeup can't replicate. The fourth part of this routine is hair removal maintenance. Whether you shave, wax, laser, or don't remove hair at all, the key is intentionality. If you shave, use a sharp razor and shave gel, not dry rush strokes. If you wax, keep up with the schedule. If you embrace body hair, keep it trimmed and neat. Polish isn't about removal, it's about care. The fifth layer is subtle radiance. You don't need glitter, you need light. Before going out, apply a small amount of body oil or body luminizer to collarbones, shoulders, and shins. Light hits those areas naturally. When they catch the sun, your entire body looks sculpted. But moderation matters. You want glow, not grease. The sixth upgrade is posture and muscle tone. You don't need a dramatic transformation, but slight toning and posture correction change how your body holds clothing. Strengthen your back and core. Stretch regularly. Stand upright. When you elongate your body, you instantly look more refined. Glow isn't just about skin. It's about structure. The seventh and most overlooked part is scent layering. Summer glow is multisensory. After moisturizing, use a fragrance that matches the vibe you want. Fresh, warm, floral, clean. Layer lightly, body lotion first. Then fragrance on pulse points. A soft mist on clothes. When you walk past someone and they pause slightly, that's when you know it's working. The truth is, a body glow routine is not a 1-week emergency fix. It's a quiet system. Exfoliate weekly. Moisturize daily. Protect with sunscreen. Maintain tone. Polish details. Strengthen posture. If you start now, by summer 2026, your skin won't need panic preparation. It will already be soft, even, luminous, and intentional. And that's what makes someone look expensive. Not perfection. Maintenance.